Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about benefits of coriander. My name is Miriam Amodu Ebiojo, a certified herbal therapist and a biochemist. If today is the first time you're watching my video, remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for subsequent updates. Let's quickly dive into the benefits of coriander. Coriander is a spice. The entire plant of coriander is consumable, just that there are slight differences in the taste of the various parts when used for medicinal purposes or for dishes. The leaves, for example, are used for lots of dishes and is known as cilantro. The leaves together with the seeds are of very high benefits, both medicinally and in use as cosmetics. Coriander helps in boosting the immune system. It does this by keeping the white blood cell in working order. The white blood cell is like the body soldier. Just like we have the soldiers, for example, in our country, trying to protect our territory from invaders, we also have the body soldiers too. So those body soldiers are called the white blood cell. They help to protect the body from invading microbes. Sometimes you realize that you have certain ailments, probably a mild one, and you didn't take any medication, and at the end of the day you feel all right. This is so because your immune system is strong. Your white blood cell was able to combat whatever was wrong with you. For those white blood cells to keep functioning properly, it needs to be boosted too. Just like we reinforce our soldiers with weapons and machineries and things they use, the white blood cell, which is a body soldier, to needs to be supported. So taking coriander helps support this white blood cell. It keeps them in working order. It makes them function properly. Most of the curries we find in the market should contain coriander as one of their basic spices. In my own spicy curry that I make, personally, I make coriander one of my top spices. Coriander helps to protect the brain. This is so because coriander contains anti-inflammatory properties. Since most of the diseases affecting the brain is as a result of inflammation, when you take coriander constantly, it helps to prevent, or if you already have it, it helps to reduce the effect of such diseases. Example of such diseases is the Parkinson disease and the Alzheimer disease. The Alzheimer disease is a kind of brain disorder whereby dementia sets in and it's progressive, it gets worsened over time, and even your day-to-day tasks is being affected. Like you can't really go about your daily tasks because you are not coordinated, you forget things so easily. Then we also have the Parkinson disease. The Parkinson disease is also a brain disorder whereby the part of the brain that controls the body movement is affected. Sometimes it could bring about involuntary movement, sometimes it brings about stiffness and a whole lot of other symptoms. So when you take coriander constantly in your dishes, it helps to prevent such diseases because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Coriander helps to improve the eyesight because it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and also carotenoids. It also helps to reduce age-related macular degeneration and helps to keep the eyes moist. Coriander is high in antioxidants. Antioxidant actually helps to fight free radicals that are damaging to the body. Free radicals are free oxygen molecules in the body that are damaging to the body, and these free radicals actually occur as a result of the things we expose ourselves to in our environment, the different types of pollution, and even free radicals are produced as a result of metabolism that occurs in our body. So there is no way we can run away from free radicals being produced in our system. But the only thing is that it's important we take things that are rich in antioxidants frequently, so that they can help in curbing the effect of these free radicals. These free radicals, if left freely in the body without looking for a way to curb them, they lead to different types of diseases like heart diseases and even some types of cancer. Treatment of urinary tract infection. Consumption of coriander helps to keep the urinary tract very clean. This is so because the kidney is responsible for filtering unwanted substances and water, there is excess water from the blood, and then generating urine from those unwanted substances and excess water, which is later passed as urine. Now, for the kidney to function properly, for you to support your kidney, you can take coriander constantly, because taking coriander actually helps increase the rate of filtration and also helps increase the generation of urine. Aids wound healing. Like I said earlier on, that coriander contains vitamin C, and that is why it is very good for eyesight. It's very good for wound healing, and this is so because vitamin C actually helps in healing injuries. Coriander improves gut health. Coriander actually helps to calm abdominal pain. It also helps when you are bloated and other gut related issues. You can actually take this coriander in the form of a tea when you're having those issues. You take a teaspoon and add to your hot water, stir, allow to steep properly, and then you can sieve before you drink. You can actually consume your coriander by stir frying it, powdering it, and then using it in your various dishes. You can mix it with other spices and use them as a spice mix in your food too. You can also use it in the form of tea. You can also use your coriander leaf in preparing different dishes. Did you get value? If you did, please don't forget to share with friends and families, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for subsequent updates. Thanks for watching till the end.